Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to transfer data from your old Android device to your Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, first of all just open the Play Store app on both devices. Now in the search bar just search this. Now just install this app on both devices. Now it will take a few seconds to download this app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. Now from here, just tap on more and tap on continue. Now just tap on more and tap on continue. Now just give this app these permissions. From here, just tap on settings. Now just enable this toggle. Now from here, just select I am aware of the possible risks. Now just wait for a few seconds, then tap on OK. From here, just go back and tap on settings. Now just enable this toggle, and once you have done that, just go back and tap on settings. Now just enable this toggle. Now from here, just select I am aware of the possible risks. Now just wait for a few seconds, then tap on OK. Now from here, just go back and tap on Let's Go. Now from here, you have two options to transfer your data. You can transfer your data using a cable, or you can select the wireless option. I will select the wireless option. Now on your Samsung Galaxy A26, just tap on Receive on this phone. Now from here, just select the type of your old device. If your old device was an iPhone or an iPad, just select this option. Or if your old device was a Samsung phone or any other Android phone, just tap on the Android option. Now from here, just tap on Wireless. Now from here, with your Android device, just scan this QR code on your Samsung device. Just like that. Now once you have done that, now just wait for a few seconds. Now from here, just select the data you want to transfer. Now if you want to transfer everything from your old device, just tap on everything. Or you can select just accounts, calls, contacts, and messages. Now if you want to transfer specific data from your old device, just tap on custom. Now once you have done that, just tap on next. Now from here, just select the type of data you want to transfer. You can select calls and contacts, messages, apps, settings, images, videos, and other data. I will select images. Now if you tap on this arrow icon, you can select which images you want to transfer. I will select this option. Just like that. Or you can select all and you will transfer all the images from your old device. Now just tap on Done. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Transfer. Now just wait for a few seconds for the data to transfer from your old device to your Samsung Galaxy A26. Now as you can see, our data has been transferred. Now just tap on Next and tap on Done. Now from here, if you go to your home screen and open the Gallery app, you will find the data we have just transferred. Just like that. And this is how you can transfer data from your old Android smartphone to your Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.